Half monkey pose. From downward facing dog, bring your left foot forward between the hands. Drop the left knee down to the floor and sit back towards the right heel, extending the left leg straight. Elongate the torso over the left leg and lower the chest down slowly with the support of your arms, bowing to the earth. The left hamstring stretches and you breathe for several cycles, in and out, long and slow. Release back to forward lunge and step back to down dog position to feel the harmonizing effect.